Hare Krishna. So this is an application of Hattuti number 3 in Kirtan. So the way we're going to apply this mantra, we'll skip one of the lines. Dadin tere tere kida dak tere kida. We'll take that out so that the mantra can fit within the 16 beats for the Hare Krishna mantra. So the way it's going to go is you play tere ti tere ti tere ti tere ti tere tere daki tere tere kida dak tere kida. Then the second part tere ti tere ti tere ti tere ti tere tere ti tere tere kida dak tere kida. And then we skip that one of the lines and we go straight to the Tehai. Kamala Mandri is going to be singing Rag Bhairav Hare Krishna tune, and I'll play along with her. So it starts in the second half of the mantra. Hare Krishna.